Welcome everyone. Now we are going to draw a bunny character. See how this rabbit character looks so cute. You can draw it in just few seconds. You just need to pause the video and follow the steps so that you will be able to trace it perfectly. Use any of your favorite color for filling this cartoon character. You can first trace it using the pencil. After that you can make the bold lines using the marker. It's time to draw a cat that's having some fun on a swing. Follow these steps and draw it well. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8 years old. Don't forget to draw the tail and the whiskers as shown here. You can draw the bird as shown here. Fill it with some cool colors as shown here. Kids get attracted and fascinated from the cartoon characters, or we can say the animated characters. Today we are going to draw 3 animated characters as shown here. Follow these simple steps and you will be able to make it perfectly. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8 years. I am using sketch pens to fill it with the colors. You can use crayons and pencil ones. Again we are going to trace a cat, but the cat is lying on the floor. Difficulty level for this one is medium and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10 years old. Follow these steps carefully and you will be able to draw it very well. Color it using some of your favorite colors. I am using the pencil colors for this one. Fish are found everywhere in this world. Today we are going to trace a simple fish in just few steps. Follow these steps carefully. Difficulty level for this one is very easy. You can use any of your favorite color to fill its body. I am using the red ones. Now try to trace this oval shape, and this oval shape is going to convert into a bowl in which few cartoon characters are just here. See how we are drawing the different expressions of these cartoon characters. It's so simple and looks something different. You can try this one and the difficulty level is very easy. Let's try to draw this cartoon character. She's wearing some long clothes and looks like a ghost, but the smile on her face and the tint gives another look to this picture. This utensil is carrying some tasty yummy food, and we have represented them using some cute little cartoon characters as shown here. Use some good colors so that it will look more attractive and more good. Don't forget to color in one specific direction so that your painting will look more and more good. Let's try to trace some cartoon characters. Both of them share a good bond with each other. They are so much affectionate about each other and can be represented by drawing a small little heart at the center as shown here. Now we are again going to draw another cartoon character as shown here. This one is very easy to draw. You can see the eyes being closed are represented by the slanting lines, and it's very easy. I guess the kids between the age group of 7 to 8 can easily trace this one. This drawing will represent another bond that is so affectionate. See how both the siblings are hugging each other, and this is very nice. Thanks for watching. We will come up with some more interesting videos.